Hello people and welcome back to Comet Dashcam channel, a channel that features some of the most epic and craziest road moments caught on Java's Dashcam, and we'll start this episode off with a spin out that happened in the middle of the road due to bad road conditions. Note to all drivers, please do respect the traffic lights. If the light is red, please stop. Don't be like this pickup truck driver who caused an accident. Driving at a high rate of speed on the road can only cause trouble, guys, and we always told you, please obey the speed limit and keep a safe distance between you and other vehicles in traffic, otherwise you can easily get into an accident, and trust me, no one wants that.
Lost your phone by any chance?
What?
I'm pretty sure I saw your phone fall off your bike maybe a mile back.
No.
No?
Now imagine, that's right. Now imagine 16, 17, 18-year-olds get their first job or whatever, get that first paycheck. They see how much money is taken from them. From their hard labor.
God damn it.
They look their finger, and at the same time.
Pay close attention to the cyclist in this video. He was in a left turn lane only, but instead of making a turn to the left, he moved forward like it's nothing.
With a tent over the top of you, trying to pull a good time out your arse. It's
you know what?
sad.
I disagree, buddy. I disagree, and I don't want to be harsh on you here, but I think it's one of the greatest things about the way we are as people. I think that, you know, I sat in a freezing cold pub garden the other day. I looked around at my brothers and sisters, my kin, that were not my actual brothers and sisters, I mean people who were in the pub with me.
In this modern day and age, where people have become more cold and self-obsessed with themselves, we definitely need more people like this pedestrian right here, who did the most unselfish thing. Check this one out. There was actually no one behind the camera, and the driver in front who cut in front of the camera could have easily waited for the camera to pass first. But no, he wanted to cause an accident. Impatient driver that was behind the camera was really in a hurry, so much so that he decided to overtake the camera right at the traffic lights and even run a red light. This rude and reckless driver cut right in front of the camera without bothering to check his side view mirrors. But karma is about to pay him a visit really soon. Make sure to stick around for this one.
You gonna get him for cutting you off?
Yeah.
And with this video, we conclude another amazing episode on Comet Dashcam channel. I hope you guys enjoyed watching and maybe learning a thing or two based on all the mistakes you saw in today's episode. After all, that's the purpose of this channel. If you really like this type of content, make sure to leave a like because that will really help us out a lot. And while you're at it, subscribe and click on the bell button to stay up to date with all the latest content. Until the next one, drive safe and stay safe, guys.